evening, tubers, and welcome to the Piston Alignment Workshop. Hopefully, this is going to be the final episode, or you'll see, of the calf racer in its current state before it resembles a proper bike. Everything on the frame...
Has it ever?
I think once, about a month ago.
Oh, okay.
We had 2 wheels in it and a tank.
Mm.
Yes.
Oh, well.
Yeah, really. Got incoming fan mail.
Yes.
Cool. All the brackets for all the whatever auxiliary components. Yeah.
The footrest are all
So the footrest, the
rear set.
Yeah, the rear sets, all the brackets for like the speedo, the not condensers, what they call coils. Batteries all in place.
Batteries secure now.
Yeah, we've made a number plate mount for the back. That's going little speedway style thing going on the back there. That'll be interesting when you finally see that. But basically everything's made. So the engine's going to get dumped out of it. The rear wheel's going to be chucked from it. It's going to be welded up and painted. So this is the last bit of our graph. We're reaching the top of that mountain now, and there's going to be a swift downhill ski, I think.
Oh, that's neat. It's all right. Carry on. It's gone.
Yes. So, yeah, basically that's it. It is at the point where it's polish and paint, build it.
Is that what you call it nowadays?
Yes.
Oh, right.
Yeah, that's what the kids call it, polish and paint.
We used to call it bashing a bishop. I don't know what. Never look. Oh no, it's one of those chess pieces, wasn't it? Yeah, that's why they called it. Yeah, I know.
Kind of the bulbous head. And,
yeah.
Stop the amp falling off.
Yeah. Allegedly.
Well, I don't know. It depends how fast you got.
Well, you've got 99 shapes and then swap hands.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm going off topic here a bit.
Do we ever stay on topic?
No.
No.
Well, back to something that looks wank. Yeah, but so basically, this is going to be the final bit. I'll show you what it looks like. It doesn't look any different, to be honest. Well, we're missing a headlight. It had a headlight in it last time. So it's been in this current condition for, I don't know, weeks. Yeah, so this is the point where it finally gets teared down, painted, polished, as I said, put back together, the final touches, and hopefully on the road for its first ever...
maiden flight.
Yeah,
off the cliff.
It'll be quicker off the cliff. So, I'm not going to say that's next week, because obviously...
Off the cliff?
No.
That'd be worth watching.
Yeah. No, not yet.
Yeah.
We'll see how it goes up the road first. Yeah, because it needs some finalised welding, kind of sanding, painting, etc.
Oh, sorry.
And bubble, and then we'll be back on the road. So we might actually get back on with the French shitter next week. Terror.
Terror. Yeah, it is a terror. Terror. Yes.
Because the ramp will be clear, and we'll have room in the shop for something else while this is off being sprayed. So keep tuned. That's Billy in the background. He's still here, happy.
Yeah.
With his nice eyes.
Yeah.
Still watching over us. Yeah. And that bombshell.
Like and subscribe.
Yeah. I'm going to finish these. Have some more. We'll see you again. Find us on Facebook. Don't forget to ask Billy anything you like. Hashtag Ask Billy or AskBillyBallswear at hotmail.com. Contact the show. Drop us a comment.
Hashtag Billy mean? I'll see this on the telly, but I don't know what it means.
I don't know.
Oh, okay.
It's everything what everyone's doing it.
What?
Everyone's doing it.
Oh, right, yeah. Hashtag everything.
It's this thing, yeah. Hashtag us. Yeah, find us. Share us with your friends.
Yeah.
Share us with your teachers. Go into school and put it on the big interactive board like I have, and I presume that's what they got. They've probably got a fucking drone teaching you now. Put it up on the big screen. Just alignment. Show your mum. The Sonic Cleaner episode.
That's our best one so far.
Yeah, it's top view.
Yeah, top
Thanks to our subscribers.
Yep.
All
30.
Yeah, all 30.
All 30.
I don't know who you are, but thank you very much.
Yeah. Spot on.
Yeah, if at this rate, we might get some merch. Any suggestions? We were thinking stickers and maybe t-shirts.
Might do a what?
Merchandise.
Oh, right, yeah.
Yeah, but we need a few more than 30 yet. Maybe 50.
Where's
we
the
get to
WD?
50. Where's the WD?
This one's dead. It's evaporated.
I know. Sponsored by our friends.
Oh,
Yeah, if we get to 50, I think we'll start doing it. So yeah, the 50th subscriber, we will send you a T-shirt. How's about that? But obviously, let us know who you are, and we'll get you one out. Not our T-shirt. We'll get you a proper Blister Alignment T-shirt. What's it? The Naked Workshop next week.
Yeah, right.
The temperature's dropping now.
Is it?
Yeah. Well, it has today. It pissed it down there.
Did it?
Yeah, that was.
Where was I?
Sitting here. I was walking back from the shop.
Oh yeah, the chips. Yeah.
And the sun came out. Don't know.
And who come out?
That's Brexit for you. The sun.
Oh.
Yeah. Sunny days. Thanks for watching. See you again.
Like and subscribe again.